Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Printful and Printify for one store. For example, I'm currently on Shopify. All I'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on Add Apps. And I'm going to scroll down and select Shopify App Store. From here, we're going to be installing the Printful and Printify app. So you'll tap on the search bar and you can type in Printify. So let's do that real quick. After selecting it, you're going to tap on Install. Once you have tapped on Install, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to select Install once more. Once it has been installed, you can see right here, you'll be redirected to the Printify dashboard. And you can sign up if you don't have an account, or if you already have an account, you can sign in. After you're signed in, what I want you to do next is you're going to go back over to the left-hand menu option and select Apps. Then from there, you're going to tap on All Recommended Apps and you're going to scroll down and select Shopify App Store. From here, we're going to be installing the Printful app. So let's do that real quick. And you're going to tap on Install once more. After selecting Install, you're going to tap on Install again. Then you'll be prompted to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. So let's do that real quick. Once you're signed in to both platforms, you can start adding products. So for example, let's add a Printful product first. So we'll tap on Add Product. And I'm just going to be adding a random t-shirt, for example, or let's say this sweatshirt. So I'll select this sweatshirt. Then I'm going to upload my design by going over to the left-hand menu option. You'll tap on Uploads. And you can upload a design by selecting Upload right here. And by the way, a good platform to create designs on would be Canva, as I created this design using Canva. So all you need to do is create an account on Canva for completely free using your email. Then you can type in, for example, a Christmas t-shirt and you'll see different logo options. Or you can just type in t-shirts and you'll see numerous logo options that you can choose from. Once you have uploaded it, you'll tap on Apply and you can see it has been added right there. After it has been added, you can also choose the position you'd want it and so much more. Then we'll tap on Remove Background and you could remove the background if you want. And you'll scroll down and in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, we can choose the mockups. And I'm just going to be choosing basic mockups as you can see right here. So we'll choose these mockups. After doing that, you're going to tap on Continue in the bottom right hand corner once more. And from this section, you could edit the product title, product description, and you can also scroll down and you could choose to add a size guide if you want. Then you'll tap on Continue once more. And this is the page where you'll be able to edit the price that you would like to sell it for. And also, if you would like to offer free shipping, you could toggle on free shipping on your storefront right there. Then we'll tap on Submit to Store. And you're just going to give it a few seconds while that product is being added to your store. In the meantime, while that product is being pushed to our Shopify store, what I want you to do is go back into Shopify. And I want you to go back onto Printify. So let's do that real quick. So we're going to close this and we're going to simply open full site. Once on Printify, all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, select Catalog. Then from there, you can select the category or the product that you would like to add your design on. Let's say this sweatshirt, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to tap on Start Designing. After selecting Start Designing, you can go over to the top left-hand corner and you can upload your design. So let's say, for example, I'll be uploading a different design this time. So I'm just going to select graphics and I'm going to be using a different graphic. Let's say this one. We'll just add it right there and I'm going to be adjusting the size. Then we'll tap on Save Product. After selecting Save Product, you'll be redirected to this page and you can simply add in. So let me close this real quick. You can select the mockups that you would like to use. So let's say these mockup images. Then we'll tap on Select. After you have tapped on Select, you'll be redirected to this page and you can scroll down and you can edit the product details. You can also edit the shipping method and the pricing, as you can see right there. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner, then confirm and save. And you're just going to give it a few seconds while the product is being pushed to your store. And in the meantime, we're going to go onto Shopify, and I'm going to show you that the other product from Printful has been added. So you can see it right here that both products have been added. And just like that, that's how you'll be able to use Printful and Printify on one store. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.